Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing for a Nvidia Shield Pro 2019 edition. I bought this from Amazon. There is a current stock shortage as of June 2020, but apparently the stock has improved and there are more of them being shipped out. So I'm replacing a 2017 model. Why am I doing that? Well, just for the sake of it, really. This one, it upscales 1080p, 720p streams to 4K. It's got some AI stuff going on. I was having some issues with it as well. Is this backlight? I don't know, but this is the remote here. Feels like a fairly normal Android remote. Yeah, I mean, it feels better than the 2017 remote, which I got rid of. I actually now use a Harmony remote, Harmony 1, for a few years. I press that, I control the TV. Press that, I control the Shield TV. I've got volume control, and stuff like that. And this one, I press that, and it goes to HDMI 2 for my Xbox. I've recently switched over to an AV receiver as well, so that when I press that, it switches to HDMI 2, AV receiver to game, and then yeah, I can control the TV with this. So this is really useful. This, I would say, just invest in one of these, and then when you get this, when you get the Shield, a remote for your streamer, you can just sell it and get, I don't know, 40 quid or so. So it's a little bit, it does look like it's already sort of been, I don't know, just like it's chucked in there. It's like there's already fingerprints on there. It's a bit dirty, doesn't it? Oh well. Whether this is used or not, I don't know. So on the back you've got two USB 3 fast connections, HDMI out, Ethernet, and the power supply. Now, I did bend the power supply for my 2017 model as well a little bit, but it does work fine. I did get a bootloader problem thing pop up now and again, but I don't think it's a major issue. Fan there as well. So this has an extra gigabyte of RAM compared to the 2017 model. This feels new. It's got like a padded bit at the bottom. It looks generally, I think it's about the same size as the 2017. Looks the same. Yeah. So what I do as well with this is I just literally wedge it in to the crevice of my table where my TV is. So there we go. You get that. You got your power supply, which has so this is about 1.5 meters, the 2017, so it's probably the same. So there's like a USB-C port on there. It's double ended sort of thing, so it plugs in either way. It doesn't come with a UK adapter. You've got to put that on yourself, I assume. It's good, isn't it? So we got the Euro, don't want Euro, and we got the very cheap, plasticky, cheapy feeling plug adapter there. That looks like all you got. Printed manual, quick start guide. Let's get it out. Quick start guide. It's fairly straightforward really. So HDMI, Shield TV, HDMI into your TV. Power, Shield remote, press the center button, that's it. Yeah, so this Netflix button, you can program it for other things, and if you do like a long press, for example, you can go to Amazon Video, so short press Netflix, long press Amazon Prime, whether you can double tap for something else, I don't know. But apparently this is backlit as well. Whether batteries are included, I don't know. So this isn't very thought out. Support guide. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. So is there already batteries in here? So it looks like it's already sort of been opened. Whether they get returns and stuff and they... This has already got batteries in it. Possibly used... Some other bastards used this. I mean, it's quite dirty on there. It looks used. Nvidia cowboys. So I did return my 2017 remote because it didn't work very well. Duracell. I mean, would they include Duracell batteries in here?